Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone with RC2 remote controller bundle is an exceptional offering for both amateur and seasoned drone enthusiasts. This compact drone packs a powerful punch with advanced features that elevate aerial photography and videography to new heights. With its lightweight design, weighing just 249 grams, it's easy to carry and doesn't require FAA registration, making it an ideal choice for casual users. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a remarkable camera, equipped with a 1:1 3-inch CMOS sensor, allowing for stunning 48MP still images and 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. The low-light performance is impressive, making it suitable for capturing evening landscapes or sunset shots without compromising quality. The inclusion of a variable aperture f/1.7 f/2.8 adds versatility for different lighting conditions, ensuring clarity even in challenging environments. One of the standout features is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which significantly enhances the safety and reliability of flights. This feature allows the drone to detect obstacles in all directions, reducing the risk of collisions and making it easier for novice users to navigate. The intelligent flight modes, including focus track and master shots, further simplify the process of capturing dynamic shots, as they automate complex maneuvers. The RC2 remote controller included in the bundle greatly enhances the flying experience. With a built-in display, users can view live footage without needing a smartphone, eliminating connectivity issues. The optimized transmission system ensures a robust connection, allowing for a range of up to 12 kilometers, which is impressive for a drone of this size. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is ample for most shooting sessions. The quick charge capability ensures that downtime is minimized, allowing you to get back to flying in no time. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone with RC2 remote controller bundle is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography or videography, combining ease of use, safety features, and high